Hello everyone, welcome to JK Speech and Hearing Center. So today we will be discussing about what is available in Hyderabad in terms of hearing care. So as you all know, Hyderabad is known for its healthcare systems and healthcare providers. So Hyderabad is the primary city in India and the globe to provide all types of good healthcare systems. So in hearing care also we have everything available in Hyderabad in terms of hearing testing and proper guidance and counseling as well as professional hearing aid fitting. So for people who are having hearing problem, they don't need to travel long distances to any country of USA, Denmark, UK, anywhere to get proper hearing aids, because we have everything available in Hyderabad, starting from good hearing testing, because pure hearing testing is very important aspect where person will be tested for hearing levels. Is he having hearing loss or not? If he is having, how much percentage is he having? What is the possible treatment options? And also if he is a child, there are other tests available known as BERA, ASSR, ABR, OAE. These tests also performed in Hyderabad, including VNG, BERA, WEMP. Different tests are available for balancing also. So Hyderabad is known for healthcare as well as in hearing care also. So if in Hyderabad, we also have world's best hearing aids like widex movement hearing aid, oticon more, oticon zircon, resound 1, resound omnia, and also Phonak Paradise, Signia Styleto, Signia AX platform. All platforms are available at Hyderabad city only. Some people who are having any type of hearing problem, they can consult us and get the best services in our own city. So we request you to get your hearing tested at earliest and get the best treatment with your nearby audiologist. Thank you.